In today's video, I'm going to give you all of the deals for Larry Benedict's special Black Friday deal for his one ticker trader service. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of tell you what the deal is. I'm going to run through the service very quickly to show you what you get. And if you want to join, you can do. If you're watching this and you just want to join right away, you can join for just $19, which locks your membership in for 1 whole year. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee, you get all Larry's trades, all his special reports, and you can join just for $19 if you decide to join before midnight on Mondays. If you want to join, link in the comment description below. But if you want to learn a little bit more about the service very quickly, just stay and watch the video to see if it's right for you. So what is Larry's one ticker trader service all about? So basically, Larry's got a very unique way he trades stocks. It's called the One Stock Retirement Blueprint, and basically Larry uses something called options to basically trade stocks. And the beautiful thing about this service is you can profit whether a stock price goes up or down using options. So it basically can work in any market at any time. And the beautiful thing is you can do trades weekly and monthly. There's always opportunities in the market when you're using options. So that's basically what it's all about. And really the big idea of this is to help sort of people new to this or people who just want to make some extra income and grow their retirement fund. And that is why Larry has created this service. Larry's, he ran his own $1 billion hedge fund. He's been doing options now for over 40 years. He's a master at it. He's on an 80% win streak this year with his trades. So yeah, Larry is one of the best in the business. I've been a member since 2021. I love the service. 2022. I love the service. And I've done many profitable trades with Larry. I love it. Rated 5 out of 5. So let me just show you around very quickly. So basically, this is where you're going to get the Ask Larry Anything, which is basically where you can ask questions about the market. You get the trade alerts. I'm going to show you one in a minute. And also any market updates. But I just want to show you the trade alerts. I'm not going to go over what all these trade alerts mean. I'll put another video below if you want a deeper dive into how all of this works. I'll leave a video below. But basically, this is basically the format you're going to get for a trade alert for an option. And basically, all Larry does is he either buys a call option if the stock is going up, or he buys a put option if the stock is going down. I'm not going to go into great detail here. Like I said, if you want to learn more, I'll leave a video below. But this is where you get the trade alerts. You're probably thinking, well, how much does it take to do a trade, with an option? So if you just basically, an option is a contract that holds 100 shares, and basically you pay a premium per share, which is the price per share you need to take the option out. In this case, well, this is like the maximum price, but just say if you want to take an options contract out controlling 100 shares for the United States Oil Fund, if we're paying $3.20 a share, it will cost $120 to basically take the option out. And the thing is, we're not buying or selling shares here. Basically, we are trading the options and we're trading the premium. And really the goal is, if the option goes our way, the premium per share will go up. So you can sell this option back to the market for higher premium than you bought it. That is basically the game in the nutshell. So you're never buying and holding shares. You're just buying the options contract, waiting for the stock price to go up to exceed this price here, which is called the strike price. Once that happens, as long as it happens before the expiration date, January 16th, this premium will go up so you can sell it at a profit. You probably want to start with, if you're utterly broke, this isn't really the right for you. But, if you've got a healthy retirement fund and you can spare, if you can spare $1,000, but you could start with $500 as well if you want. But if you've got $500 to $1,000, so you can play around with Larry's trades, that is the perfect amount to start trading. If you want to put more in your trading account, that is fine. So that is basically how the service works, and this is how you get the trade alerts. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how profitable these trades can be. So let me just go back to issues and updates. So this was the, sorry, I've missed it. So this is the buy alert that was issued on October 17th. That was the one I showed you. Then a week later, there was a sell alert. I've gone straight past it. Here we go. So in a week, this option, you could have sold this option for an 87% gain. So if you bought it for $320, you've probably made, try to think off the top of my head, you've probably made, about actually you might have made, about $290 profit on that one trade. So you pretty much doubled your money. And you basically, for every trade Larry puts out, you're not going to win every trade. But like I said, Larry's on an 80% win streak this year. You're going to make anywhere from 20 to 100% returns on each trade if it goes your way. And sometimes if you get a doozy, it could be a lot more than that. It could be 150, 200% or more. And also, if you want to increase your profits, you can buy multiple options contracts. But obviously, if you're new, you just want to buy one contract and, limit your risk. This is actually a very risk-adverse way to trade shares. If you bought, say, I don't know, $500, you bought Tesla shares for $500 a share, you wanted 100 shares, you're going to have to pay $50,000 for that. But you could take an option out for those very same 100 shares and trade it for $500 and make more profit in the process. And at the end of the day, if a trade doesn't go your way, you just lose the money it took you to open the option with. But obviously, if you're buying 100 shares, say in Tesla, you got 50 grand, invested in that. So if the shares tank, you could potentially lose a whole lot of money. But with an option, you're limiting your risk as well. But like I say, you're going to make 20 to 100% per trade on average. So the other thing you get is the special reports. Each one of these special reports gives you a trade idea, gives you a stock to trade. Because what Larry does is, depending on the market conditions, he'll just focus on one theme per month, one stock, one theme, and as long as the indicators are right, he will trade that stock multiple times in that month for a profit. And that's basically how it works. So basically, you get in these reports, you get a trade idea and a stock to trade. So that's the skim trade blueprint. This is one where you can trade the US energy markets. You can trade gold. This is a calendar that tells you when AI stocks are going to be volatile, so you can trade them. This gives you the one ticker to trade, basically the biggest AI stocks time and time again. You can trade crypto using options, and you've got all of these others as well. And you get all of this absolutely free for just $19 if you join before midnight on Monday. Let's get all of those free. You've got the portfolio with open positions. And then obviously, this is just a very short course bringing you up to speed with options. So after you've gone through this, you have a basic understanding what options are, so you can start placing Larry's options trades. So that is everything you get. If you want to join now, you just go to this page here. I'll link this page down in the comment description below. This is the format of the URL. It looks a bit weird, but it just takes you directly to the Larry's cart page for his deal. Like I said, $19. You got recording this video, you got 2 days, 21 hours left. So midnight Monday, I do believe. Normally $4.99, but you can just join for $19, which locks your membership in for a year. Get all Larry's trades, everything I've shown you, you get. And you get a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. So if you don't like it, you can request your money back. I highly rate the service. I wouldn't recommend it otherwise. So if you're looking to make extra income and, grow your retirement fund, right, and you kind of want to do something else rather than, just buying and holding shares where you can make regular income from stocks, this is the number one way to do it. So if you want to join, just smash the link in the comment description below, make your payment, and you'll be emailed all of the login details so you can log in to the member portal. Anyway, Hope you found this video useful, informative. If you do join, I really hope you enjoyed the service. It's brilliant. It's a lot of fun. And it's really exciting when you cash out winning trades. So have a great Black Friday holiday weekend, and I'll speak to you soon.